Number 1. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, feast your eyes on a 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado from Anderson, South Carolina. This car is offered at $12,500 and the seller is open to offers. What truly makes this one special is that it's a single-owner vehicle and still retains its original paint and engine. Under the hood, you'll find a 425 automatic engine, which, according to the owner, starts right up. It has 100,000 miles on the odometer, and it's important to note that the car has never been in an accident. This Oldsmobile Toronado, sporting an orange exterior and a black interior, has received new tires, an exhaust system, a distributor, a carburetor, carpets, and brakes. All these upgrades were done to keep it in tip-top shape. If you're looking for a 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado with its original elements and recently replaced key components, this one from Anderson might just be the ticket.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. This classic 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, located in Apex, North Carolina, is being offered for $4,000. It's not just a car, it's a dedicated drag machine with only 300 miles on it, built exclusively for performance. Its silver body hints at the power lurking within. This Monte Carlo has been significantly upgraded. It's equipped with a robust 6-point roll cage, a 12-bolt posi-traction rear end with 456 gears, and heavy-duty Yukon axle shafts. The front suspension has been completely rebuilt and features front disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The car boasts a tilt steering column, a lightweight 4-inch fiberglass cowl hood, and an aluminum radiator to maintain optimal temperature. Additionally, it features a new drive shaft loop, a fuel cell, and a new battery box in the trunk. It rides on 15 by 10-inch weld wheels in the rear, and the vehicle's VIN is present, verifying its ownership history since 1998. Included with the sale are the front bumper, all chrome trim, and a host of extra parts. Number 3. Introducing a classic reimagined. Today, we've got a 1963 Oldsmobile 98 located in Dahlonega, Georgia, and going for $16,500. This beautiful 2-door hardtop sedan comes in a striking blue, both inside and out. It's got 91,200 miles on the clock. It comes with a well-documented history, including a treasure trove of original paperwork, like the Protectoplate warranty card with its original sale date and details on the first owner and dealer. Under the hood of this Oldsmobile is its original ultra-high compression Skyrocket V8 engine, measuring 394 cubic inches and paired with an automatic transmission. The car drives strong and handles well. It's been garaged, keeping it free of rust issues. For driver and passenger comfort, it's equipped with power seats, power windows, power steering, and air conditioning. Rounding out the package are BFG Silvertown white wall tires, mounted on its original wheels and hubcaps. The owner is happy to provide any additional photos. No trades, please. Number 4. Dive into automotive history with this 1965 Ford Mustang, currently located in Statesville, North Carolina, and offered for $31,995. This vehicle is listed for sale through Rare Rides Company. Under the hood of this Mustang lies a professionally built 347 cubic inch stroker engine featuring DDS forged pistons, molybdenum piston rings, and a Stage 3 comp cam camshaft. Fuel delivery is handled by an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold and an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. Power is sent through a T5 world-class 5-speed manual transmission to an 8-inch Ford rear end with a 3.00 gear ratio. Handling and stopping power are enhanced with front disc brakes and Borgeson power steering. Long tube headers and Flowmaster mufflers give it a distinctive rumble. The body is coated in a rich 2-stage aqua blue paint that presents well and highlights its lines, while 347 badging and Magnum 500 style wheels complete the exterior look. Inside, you will find a custom white and blue interior with reupholstered seats, new carpeting, and a T-handle shifter. However, this Mustang does have a few quirks to note. The odometer reading is unverified, the horn, radio, and reverse lights are inoperable, and the age of the tires is unknown. Additionally, there is no air conditioning or power windows. Despite these points, the car is ready to hit the road for drivers seeking a dynamic experience behind the wheel of a classic with a powerful heart. Number 5. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Introducing the 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2-door, located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, and priced at $27,500. This gray Monte Carlo with a black interior is in excellent condition, its engine runs strong, and the car is fully roadworthy. The odometer reads 120,000 miles. Under the hood of this Monte Carlo is a 350 small block engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. It features a 4-barrel carburetor, a new intake manifold, as well as headers and dual exhaust. For added performance, a mild camshaft has been installed. The rear end sports 4.11 gearing, and a sway bar has been added for improved handling. This car is ready to roll, with new N50 tires in the rear and nearly new tires up front. This 1972 Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2-door truly shows well with all its systems in strong working order. Number 6. Here's a fantastic opportunity for any classic car enthusiast. Up for grabs is a 1975 Lincoln Mark IV from Clearfield, Pennsylvania. This white-on-white beauty is offered for $1,500. The price is firm. The seller won't budge on the price and knows the value of the components. Under the hood, this Mark IV sports a big block Ford 460 paired with a C6 automatic transmission, and the rear end features 9-inch disc brakes. The odometer reads 39,358 miles, though it's possible the true mileage is 139,000. Most importantly, the car starts, runs, and stops so you can drive it home without a hitch. The engine and transmission operate flawlessly. The tires and brakes are in good shape, and the undercarriage is solid as a rock. Of course, a 50-year-old car has its quirks. The carburetor will need an accelerator pump, the power steering hose leaks, and the roof's vinyl top is worn out. There are small rust spots on the body, but the solid frame is unaffected. The engine's emission system wires aren't in the best shape, but they've been deactivated. Please note that the seats don't move, the windows don't go up, and the radio doesn't work. It will also need an inspection, but it should pass with no issues. This Lincoln Mark IV is a great foundation for a first project or is ready to hit the road right now. Number 7. For $28,000, This 1967 Chevrolet Malibu, located in Liberty, Kentucky, and offered for $28,000. This car is likely a clone of a Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Under the hood is a 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The body panels are all steel with no Bondo, and the paint, which is about 30 years old, still looks good for a driver. The car rolls on new BF Goodrich Redline tires and Copo hubcaps, and it has a new Flowmaster 40 Series exhaust system routed out in front of the rear axle. It has power steering, and the braking system has been updated with new calipers, lines, and upper ball joints, though the brakes are still manual. The car has 185,000 miles on the odometer and a clean Kentucky title. It's worth noting, however, that the new trunk floor was installed by an amateur. There are also chips, scratches, and dings visible on the body. The heater core is currently out of commission, but a new one, complete with hoses, is already in the trunk. Overall, this Malibu is ready to hit the road and offers an honest foundation for an owner who appreciates the chance to get behind the wheel and enjoy the ride. Number 8. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard in this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, rocking a bold yellow exterior and a black interior. This coupe, located in Dandridge, Tennessee, comes with a clean Tennessee title and a solid body. It's an X11 package car, rolling on brand new wheels and tires that are ready to hit the road. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 engine backed by long tube headers and an automatic transmission. Cruising is a breeze with power steering and disc brakes, making for a smooth and confident ride. For warmer days, factory air conditioning comes with the car, keeping you cool and comfortable. Inside, the headliner and the whole interior are both in tip-top shape. This Camaro has 70,000 miles on the odometer and is offered at $48,000. Owner prefers cash, but might consider some trades. If this 1969 model is listed, it's still up for grabs and ready for its next adventure. Number 9. Check out this rare find for classic car enthusiasts. A 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special Sedan up for grabs in Knoxville, Tennessee for $59,000. This gorgeous blue ride with a white interior has 80,000 miles on the clock and comes with an automatic tranny. The owner's motivated to move it, especially for a good cash offer, as they just found themselves a boat, and the title's in hand, ready to go. Pop the hood and you'll find this Fleetwood features an LS-powered 5.3-liter M7 engine paired with a 4L60E automatic tranny, so it's got plenty of get up and go. No corners cut on comfort either, with working heat and ice-cold AC. The ride's managed by a tube suspension, new shocks, a CPP disc brake conversion, and an AquaAir system on all four corners, complete with a dual tank setup. Step inside and there's a Dakota digital dash and a killer audio system rocking two 10-inch subs along with handy door poppers. It's riding on 20-inch spoke wheels wrapped in Vogue tires, but it also comes with the original stock white walls. This Caddy ain't just a show queen, it's a real driver. The current owner takes it on a regular 50-mile round-trip commute to work, and it'll cruise down the interstate at 80 miles an hour, no sweat. It's a definite head-turner, with folks always stopping to chat it up wherever it pulls in. Number 10. Up for grabs is a 1967 Dodge Coronet R/T, hailing from Webster, New York, with an asking price of $39,500. This beauty has been in the same family since it rolled off the lot, showing a genuine 77,927 miles on the clock. Pop the hood and you'll find its original factory-installed 440 V8 engine paired with a 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission. The Coronet boasts 100% rust-free original sheet metal and floors. It got one respray years back, bringing it back to its original 881 bright blue exterior, now sporting an ebony interior. The motor's also been gone through, and this ride features an 8 3/4 rear end with 3.23 Sure Grip, plus the added convenience of power steering and power brakes. Inside, the original interior remains in fantastic shape, with all lights and gauges working perfectly. There's a small tear on the passenger seat. For the paperwork buffs, this Coronet comes complete with its original broadcast sheet and fender tag to boot. This 1967 Dodge Coronet R/T is listed at $39,500, and the owner's willing to entertain your best offer. Shipping help is available nationwide. Number 11. Check out this 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, available in West Islip, New York, for $37,500. This classic coupe has only clocked 1,234 miles since it was built and is ready for new adventures. Under the hood, you'll find an upgraded 383 Chevy small block stroker motor equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor. Power gets to the rear wheels via a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission and a 373 gear differential. For enhanced handling, the car is fitted with coilovers, and for driving convenience, it has power steering and power brakes with front discs. Other upgrades include lemon ceramic headers, electric fans, and an aluminum radiator for optimal cooling. The body is painted a vibrant orange, and the undercarriage and trunk are clean, with no signs of rust. All electrical components and lighting are in full working order. This car offers a serious performance and comfort package, which you can check out in person in New York. Number 12. Check out this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport 396, available for $69,500 in Orrville, Ohio. This car underwent a full frame-off restoration, which is backed up by original documentation. Its body is finished in its factory original tuxedo black paint, paint code 10, looking straight as an arrow from every angle, and the paint is smooth and glossy. Many exterior components, including the bumpers, emblems, and door handles, have been replaced. This Chevelle rolls on American racing wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires. Under the hood sits a General Motors 427 cubic inch crate motor with Phytec electronic fuel injection and high-energy ignition for reliability. The engine bay is meticulously detailed and features a satin black finish. The car is equipped with Hydro Boost power steering and power front disc brakes. Shifting duties are handled by a Monte 4-speed manual transmission. A deep rumble comes from a 3-inch dual exhaust system with proper tips. Underneath, it's clean metal with new UMI upper and lower tubular A arms, and out back, there's a 12-bolt rear end with 3.73 gearing. The interior has been completely redone, including new carpets, headliner, front seat upholstery, and cushions, as well as door panels and armrests. The dashboard features a speedometer and fuel gauge and an upgraded stereo system. A Hurst shifter comes up through the floor. Financing options are available for your convenience. It's important to note that the odometer reading of 4,900 miles is not actual mileage due to legal exemptions. Number 13. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1965 Chevrolet Nova Pro Touring. Waiting for you in Bristol, Pennsylvania is a car that recently underwent a comprehensive restoration and has since clocked only 29 miles. This show-quality Nova is available for $59,900. Under the hood sits a 383 cubic inch stroker, small block V8 engine, outfitted with a Holly Sniper fuel injection system and Edelbrock aluminum heads. A chrome alternator, an aluminum radiator with dual fans, and custom ceramic headers complete the picture, providing a fantastic rumble as it cruises the streets. All of this is paired with a new TCI Turbo 350 automatic transmission and a new rear end featuring a limited slip differential and a 3.73 gear ratio. Both the front and rear feature RideTech air suspension, while up front you'll find a Heights Super i2 independent front suspension with Willwood disc brakes and 4-piston calipers. Rounding out the look are new Kelly Edge tires and Rough Racing R281 chrome wheels. Step inside the two-tone black TMI interior where custom bucket seats and a matching rear bench comfortably reside. The Dakota Digital Series 3- displays information on a blue fluorescent screen. The center console neatly houses the gear selector and the Holly Sniper and Air Ride control units. This Nova is ready to turn heads at local car shows and is capable of bringing home awards. Number 14. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic. Up for grabs in Orrville, Ohio, is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS, priced at $64,900. This first-generation Camaro, with 77,000 miles on the odometer, boasts a custom blue exterior, complemented by re-chromed front and rear bumpers. The sides are straight, the glass is in great condition, and even the hideaway headlights open and close just as they should. It rolls on chrome US mags wheels, measuring 245/45 ZR18 at the rear and 215/50 ZR17 up front. Under the hood sits a 350 cubic inch engine bearing casting number 3,970,010, enhanced with an Edelbrock Performer RPM air gap aluminum intake manifold and a Holly dual feed carburetor. Performance features include Pertronix HEI ignition and headers, while convenience comes from power steering, vintage AC, and an aluminum radiator with an electric fan. Paired with a Monte 4-speed manual transmission, power finds its way to a 12-bolt Posey rear end equipped with 331 gears, promising a lively drive. The undercarriage itself is all clean metal, with the subframe and its components having been removed and replaced, while a 2.5-inch dual Flowmaster exhaust system provides a distinctive sound. Step inside and you'll find a black interior that's been refurbished from the headliner to the carpet. Number 15. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. In Clayton, North Carolina, a 1976 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is up for grabs. This black Monte Carlo with 54,000 miles on the odometer is packing a 400 cubic inch engine and an automatic transmission. Factory features include a power bucket seat, cruise control, air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, and a tilt steering column. The car starts up and is able to move under its own power. However, this Monte Carlo definitely needs some TLC. There's noticeable rust on the body, on the floor pan, lower fenders, and in other spots. The power windows and the power seat are currently not working. The brakes, despite a new master cylinder being installed, are still out of commission, and the car will need a good bit more work before it's roadworthy. With a clear North Carolina title in hand, this Monte Carlo is going for $2,400. The seller is open to discussing delivery if you're not too far away. Number 16. Check out this 1956 Pontiac Chieftain located in Portland, Oregon. It's available for $19,500. This Chieftain boasts its all-original appearance with only 28,152 original miles. It's sporting a vibrant yellow paint job with a black interior. Behind the wheel, you'll find a stick shift, a real treat for classic driving purists. It just had a complete tune-up, and its engine purrs reliably. It's rolling on brand new white wall tires, giving it that classic clean look. Out on the road, this Chieftain handles confidently and predictably. Considering a buy? We offer financing assistance with flexible monthly payments and a reasonable down payment, subject to credit approval. Nationwide shipping within the United States can also be arranged for an extra fee. Please note that all viewings are by appointment only. Number 17. Here's a classic. Coming straight to you from Victoria, Texas, is a gold 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, valued at $38,000. This is a clone of the legendary SS model, powered by an SBC 350 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This Chevelle has 12,345 miles on the odometer. The car came to us from California, and it shows in its condition. The body is completely rust-free, and the interior and exterior look spick and span. Stepping inside, you'll find a tidy beige interior that perfectly complements the gold exterior. This isn't just a garage queen, it's a runner ready for the open road. And best of all its systems are in tip-top shape. For $38,000, you're getting a fully functional ride that shows the love and care it received in the Golden State. The seller suggests that his loss is your gain, and this is a solid deal for a Chevelle SS in this kind of shape that's ready to hit the road right now. Number 18. Check out this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe, looking for a new owner in Brentwood, California for $33,000. This Camaro RS stands out with its red and black exterior, vinyl top, and houndstooth interior. It's powered by a 327 cubic inch engine, upgraded in 2008, and boasts aluminum heads, an aluminum intake manifold, a Demon double pumper carburetor, and an electronic distributor. After the build, it put out around 300 horsepower, giving the car excellent performance. Under the hood, you'll also find a Saginaw 4-speed manual transmission with a new clutch, and torque is sent to a 10-bolt rear end with 3.08 gearing. It features factory air conditioning, but it's not charged, and the compressor is missing a belt. Other features include power steering, manual drum brakes, a tick-tock tachometer, and console gauges for full control. Number 19. Up for sale is a 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass, located in the Plains, Ohio. This 1968 model, with a black exterior, has 50,000 miles on the clock. It's priced at $6,800. Under the hood, the Cutlass has an engine, but it doesn't come with a transmission currently. Number 20. Take a step back in time with this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod, available for $79,900 in Clearwater, Florida. This car, having undergone a complete body-off restoration, features a black exterior with red stripes, a cowl induction hood, and new glass. The odometer shows 81,358 miles. Under the hood sits a modified 468 cubic inch Lingenfelter 5.8 engine built on an LS 6512 block, which dyno tested at 546 horsepower. The engine features a Holley carburetor, MSD electronic ignition, an aluminum intake, and an aluminum radiator with electric fans. A ceramic-coated stainless steel exhaust system is complemented by electric exhaust cutouts. Power is routed through a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission to a Moser limited-slip rear end with 3.42 gearing. The frame is powder-coated, and the suspension package includes Hotchkiss sway bars, tubular rear control arms, and Edelbrock shocks. Stopping power comes from bare 4-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. The car sits on 15-inch American Racing torque thrust, 2 chrome wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich Radial T/A tires. Up front, size 215/70 R15, and out back, 275/60 R15. Inside, you'll find red bucket seats, a 3-spoke wood-rimmed steering wheel, an aftermarket tachometer, a full complement of auxiliary gauges, and an AM/FM radio. The detailing is meticulous, from the engine bay to the undercarriage, underscoring the quality of work put into this build. Number 21. Introducing a classic reimagined. Check out this 1972 Dodge Coronet, waiting for its new owner in Chilliwack, Virginia. This green sedan, green inside and out, is priced at $3,000. Its body looks solid, and the odometer shows a genuine 41,549 miles. Under the hood, the Coronet boasts a 318 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car starts up, though it will likely need a standard tune-up to run even smoother. As for the interior, the seat upholstery and dashboard will need some attention and repair. This Dodge Coronet, with its solid body and genuine mileage, is a great foundation for a future project. Number 22. For sale is a 1948 Plymouth P15 Special Deluxe Business Coupe, awaiting its new owner in Covington, Indiana. This classic car is offered for $8,750. It has 84,000 miles and comes with a clean Indiana title. Under the hood, you'll find the original 218 cubic inch flathead inline six-cylinder engine paired with a column-mounted 3-speed manual transmission. The body retains its original chevron blue paint finish. Number 23. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. In Inkster, Michigan, for $4,200 is a 1971 Cadillac DeVille, a 4-door sedan. This car, black with a black interior, has 111,111 miles on it and is equipped with a 472 engine that runs smoothly. The engine bay was painted while the engine was out for an upcoming rear main seal replacement. A new radiator and carburetor are already installed. Included with the Cadillac are seats from a 1993 model, along with the original wheels with wire spoke hubcaps. The seller provides extensive documentation of the work performed. For those looking for more power, a 5.3 LS engine with a shortened oil pan, ready for installation, is available separately for an additional $4,000. Currently, the car needs minor restoration. The engine is awaiting reinstallation after the rear main seal replacement, and the new seats are waiting for their moment. At this price, the car offers an opportunity for a do-it-yourself project completion and the creation of a unique classic sedan. The seller is only willing to communicate with serious buyers who understand the potential of this Cadillac. Number 24. Check out this 1949 Chevrolet Classic, waiting for you in Madill, Oklahoma for $3,000. This 4-door sedan is all original with matching numbers and is in pretty good shape for its 75 years, never having been restored. It comes in a white exterior with a brown interior, has 43,525 miles on the odometer, and an automatic transmission. The 6-cylinder engine turns over freely, which is a good start. Number 25. Take a trip back in time with this 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2-door. This gray Camaro with an automatic transmission is waiting for its new owner in Davison, Michigan. Its odometer reads 888,888 miles, and the price is $6,000. What is really interesting here is the Z28 body, which came from Florida. Number 26. Check out this classic 1968 BMW 2002 Coupe, offered for $21,000 in Pennington, New Jersey. This black beauty with a black interior has only 88,881 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission, a perfect combo for driving enthusiasts. The current owner has cared for it since 2019, keeping it garaged and investing around $8,000 in maintenance and upgrades, which is backed by a full stack of receipts. The interior is immaculate and features modern touches for comfort, while the engine bay and undercarriage look very clean. The car is fully serviced and ready for new adventures, promising a lively experience with every shift. The only thing to note is that the body has been repainted and some small paint bubbles have appeared in a few spots, but it still shines brightly. For this price, you're getting a fully sorted vehicle that's capable of delivering genuine driving pleasure. Number 27. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible. Located in Columbus, Ohio, this blue classic convertible with a black interior is offered for $22,500. The odometer shows only 38,000 miles, which is quite low for a car of its age. The Oldsmobile is equipped with an automatic transmission and is advertised as a driver-quality car, meaning it is ready for immediate drives and enjoying the open road. It starts and runs great, promising comfortable and carefree top-down driving. $22,500 is a very fair price for the chance to own and actively use a classic convertible that does not demand constant attention but is built for regular trips. From leisurely cruises on the roads of Ohio, we will switch to a completely different style, one that offers another take on speed and dynamics. Number 28. Dive into automotive history with this 1963 Buick Riviera Coupe, offered in Springfield Gardens, New York for $45,000. This isn't just a classic, it's undergone some serious customization, starting under the hood with a powerful 401 nailhead paired with a brand new rebuilt automatic transmission. The exterior shows off thoughtful custom touches, new Budnik wheels, 20 by 10 inches in the rear and 18 by 8 in the front, perfectly complement the air ride, which is controlled by 6 positions. The burgundy body, smooth and clean, is achieved by shaved door handles and mirrors, and the doors now open with poppers. The brown interior features modern comforts, new air conditioning, a custom radio, and improved cooling thanks to an aluminum 4-core radiator. RMS custom headlights, delivering 30,000 lumens, light the way.